All right. Hi there. Welcome to Friday. I have just a few things for you here today. So we are in Schoology right now. This is this week's folder, and in Friday's folder, the video I'm making right now will be up here at the top. But then after that will be this Get More Math login link, and then today's assignment link. Okay, let's go to the Get More Math link here first. So again, that would be your username and password, the same username and password that you use for your Linmar account. Okay, so I'd enter that in, and then I would get into my Get More Math. So this is just an account that I made for myself, so I could show you kind of what's going on with this. What you want to do in this here today is just make sure that you've finished the decimals first 18 questions. Now, how you know if you've done that or not, right here in the middle of the screen bar at the top, yesterday as we were working on this, it would have said something like 5 of 18 decimals, meaning that you have done 5 of the 18 decimal questions. Once you've finished the 18 decimal questions, this box here will turn to saying mixed review. So once you get into the mixed review section, that's all the further you need to go, but you certainly can do some more. Okay. Again, up here, I've got 21 points that I've earned so far today. I've got 28 points for the week, and then I've got 1 game credit. So let me show you something over here in the 4 bars, a couple different things. Let me look at the calendar here first. So I scroll down here. So Thursday, yesterday, after class was over, I set a goal for 18 points. Okay. By the time you guys see this here tomorrow, there hopefully will be a goal over here of 10 points. Just setting a goal for you to earn 10 more points today on Friday. I can't set that in this yet. It knows that today is only Thursday, so I will set that goal for you tomorrow to earn 10 more points. Okay. Other thing over here in this 4 bars, though, is the gameplay. Okay, so if I click on gameplay, I have 4 different games I can choose from. Okay, I'm going to do missile defense, I think. And, ooh, look out, yikes. Oh, I was still playing the end of last game, I think. I hope. Is he going to start me a new game here? There we go. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to blow up these missiles before they hit my little things down here. I do that with my mouse, and I click on where I want the explosion to happen. That stops the missiles from coming in and getting me. All right. So I've used my 1 game credit, so I can't play any more games until I earn another game credit. I earn a game credit after, I'm not sure how many questions I have to get right to earn a game credit, but you can keep going and answering as many questions as it lets you do. Okay, so that's the Get More Math. Coming back here to Friday, and then here's our assignment for today. If I click on that, I want to open that up in Kami. Okay, so let me actually go ahead and open that up in Kami. Let me show you that. So open with Kami. Here is my assignment. Okay, what I want to probably do here, guys, is really zoom in on each question. Really zoom in. I do that on my touch screen. And then I'm probably going to want to solve the problems right here, like that. And if I go over to the next problem, oops, if I make a mistake here, I can do the undo like that. So I'm going to take that 1.4. I'm just going to bring it down over here where I can work on it. And I can do this because I've zoomed in so far on my screen. Over here, got a subtraction problem. Make sure I do subtraction. And I'm just using my finger. I know you guys can't see me use my finger right here. One thing I might want to do is come over here to the thickness and maybe make that either 0.5 or 1. Let's see, I got another subtraction problem. There we go, that's even better. We've got to borrow. Okay. Once I get down, so there's a couple of questions here at the top, and then when I get to the bottom, I don't need to show my work here. I can just circle the correct answer. So if x is 2.3, what is 5.4 plus 2.3? Well, let's see, that would be 7.7, right? So just circle B. Okay. And then when I'm done, I'll go ahead and turn this in. Okay. Make sure I finish before I turn it in now. Because oh yeah, the assignment's actually not open, I think, right now. But if worse comes to worse, it'll save it in your folder. But go ahead and do your best to turn that in. All right. All right. And I think that is all we have for today. If I can get back to Friday. There we go. So do some of the get more math, get to at least 18 on the decimals, and then it'll start showing inside that box. It'll start saying mixed review. Once it says mixed review, then you know you've done as many as you need to do. Okay, but you can certainly go farther and earn some points, do some game credits, and play some games. And then do the Friday assignment. Go ahead and turn that in through Kami. And that is about it. So have a great weekend, and I will see you guys on Friday. Oh, hold on. I will put the Zoom links to both the AM and the PM right down in here. I just remembered I wanted to do that. So I'll put those Zoom links, and I'll be on Zoom from basically 10 o'clock until 1:30 tomorrow. Okay? All right. Have a great weekend, guys.